Hi everyone, again this is Ricky, and in my first video I'll show you how to create a new record using this transaction form. But this time allow me to share how to generate this report by selecting one record only, or by selecting multiple records, like for example this one, or by selecting all records to print. And then printing by category, printing report by department. So let's go and let's try to generate the report by selecting this information. So let's try one on record only, for example this one, and click print. So the report is done, and this is the report. So this is the report, one record only. I selected Earth 1002, this one. So now let's proceed to select multiple records. Example, this one, this one, and let's print. Click print button, and let's wait for a while until the process is completed again. And now this is the report. This is the report for multiple items. So we have Earth 1002, 3, and Mars 1 until Sun 09. So again, let's proceed to select all records and then print. So let's wait again for a while until the process is completed. So printing is done, and this is the report. So we have 24 records for all items that we print, and then let's proceed to print by category, this one. So please wait, printing in progress. So again, let's wait for a while until the process is completed. So printing is done, and this is the report. This is the report for product list by category, this one. So category 1, Earth, until category 5, this one. And then let's proceed to print by department, this one. So printing in progress, and let's wait again for a while until the printing is done. So the report is completed, and now this is the report. So this is the report for department. So we have Sun, we have Venus, we have Earth, Mars. Then this is the report for category. So we have 24 records printed, similar to this one. And we have 24 records for all items. And we have multiple records that we print. So total of records is 8. And we have one record only. So I hope you enjoy watching this video and you learned something new. So thank you everyone.